Variant Standard. Title: Wow Skin Science 10-in-1 Nourishing Hair Oil Review Script. ID 22251123-101. Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've been struggling with dry, brittle hair that just won't seem to grow, you're not alone. And that's exactly why we're taking a closer look at the Wow Skin Science 10-in-1 Nourishing Hair Oil. This is marketed as a multi-benefit hair treatment, packed with ingredients like argan and rosemary oil, and it's designed for both women and men. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review that could change your hair game. Now, this oil promises to tackle 10 different hair concerns, including dryness, damage, and hair fall, all while promoting growth. It's silicone-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free, which is a big plus for anyone cautious about harsh chemicals. The formulation is enriched with argan oil for nourishment, rosemary oil to stimulate the scalp, and almond oil for shine and softness. At 200 milliliters, it's a generous size for regular use. I tested this oil over a couple of weeks to see how it really performs in everyday life. The texture is lightweight but rich enough to coat strands without feeling greasy. I applied it to damp hair before styling and also used it overnight as a deep treatment. My hair felt noticeably softer and more manageable after the first few uses, and the subtle almond argan scent is pleasant without being overpowering. For those with extremely dry ends, I found it smoothed out frizz and added shine. Of course, no product is perfect. While it's nourishing and has a nice aroma, the oil doesn't magically stop hair fall for everyone. Results vary depending on your hair type and underlying issues. It can feel a bit oily if you apply too much or skip washing for too long. But the versatility of using it both as a leave-in and overnight treatment is definitely a plus. For value, at its current price point, it's a solid option considering the clean, multifunctional formula and the inclusion of high-quality oils like argan and rosemary. Compared to single-ingredient oils or other multi-benefit hair oils, this one stands out for combining several benefits in one bottle without harsh additives. The packaging is simple but sturdy, and I appreciate that it's easy to pour without spilling. In terms of longevity, a little goes a long way, so the bottle lasts a decent amount of time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Wow Skin Science generally has a good reputation for customer service, and they are responsive if you need assistance or have questions about their products. There haven't been any recent updates to this formula, but the current blend already delivers multiple benefits without unnecessary additives. If you're considering alternatives, a high-quality argan or rosemary oil could provide similar nourishment, though you'd miss out on the multi-benefit aspect of this 10-in-1 formulation. For those on a tighter budget, single-ingredient oils can work well, but may require layering for comparable results. Overall, I'd say the Wow Skin Science 10-in-1 Nourishing Hair Oil is a solid pick for anyone looking to improve hair texture, add shine, and give their scalp a boost without introducing harsh chemicals. It's especially suited for those with dry or damaged hair who want an all-in-one treatment. If your hair struggles mainly with breakage or lack of moisture, this could become a staple in your routine. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase this hair oil is in the comments and description box below. If you've used it, drop a comment and share your experience. We'd love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.